welcome back to Gypsyfae Creations. Tira here, and you guessed it, I'm soap making. What's new? I've been contacted by Mike over at Stove & Garden to create a custom loaf of soap for him. We came out with some different colors and a fragrance and some embeds to go along with his YouTube style. Could be his child too, if you love your YouTube channel that much. Anyway, he's got a cute little YOLO logo. I am winning here. And he's using this loaf. I'm having a really bad day. Hi, Sma. Say hi. Maybe you'll do a better job than me. Is that possible? He's going to be using these soaps in a giveaway. So when you're done here, be sure to surf on over there and subscribe to his channel. See if you can enter in this giveaway. I don't know much about it right now. Let's get soap making. Artichoke, starting as usual, lye, water, oils, blah blah blah. Kitchen vibrator. Let's give that a whirl. Alright, he picked out the colors. He wanted a red, black, and white soap. So let's split this up into 3 containers of red, black, and white. This is really red mica by Nurture. This is a hardwood activated charcoal from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And then in this one, I'm going to do titanium dioxide. Just a splash. Starting with this guy. Whoa! Always a mess activated charcoal, but it's worth it. Alright. Stick this to the side, and then I'm going to get the fragrance. I gave him a list of fragrances that I thought I guess were kind of manly fragrances, because the embeds on the soap are kind of manly and he's a man, but if he uses these for his giveaway, you know, it might be something that everyone should be able to use. And I kind of knew he was going to pick this fragrance out of all of them that I gave him the option. It is a basil, sage, and mint. It is an essential oil and it is a fragrance oil blend. I'm just going to split that up. And it's got other notes in there too, but I think it can be a very unisex scent, and it goes very well with his channel, his style of his channel, which I'll talk more about. But let me bring you in for a closer look. Alright, just going to stir in that fragrance blend. Alright, so Mike's channel, Stove & Garden, is about a guy, once upon a time. It's about a guy, Mike, who likes to garden. He likes to grow different things, and then he likes to cook with the things that he makes. And that's what his channel is basically about. He has a lot of DIYs on there of like an herb garden and how to like grow plants from peppers and how to make jerky and it's all kind of stuff over there. So that's why this scent makes sense for him, because it's an herb and he can grow these. That's all. That's all I wanted to say about that. Alright, so that's all stirred in. Time to pour. Where do I want to start? Let's go with white. So far I'm liking this fragrance. It is behaving very well. And then I'm going to scrape the rest of this black out. So Mike's channel is fairly new, and I think this giveaway is kind of a means to getting more followers and more watchers to his channel. It is a great idea to host a giveaway. And I am honored that he wants one of my soaps to be as part of it. And I didn't expect him to want a custom loaf of soap. Like, I thought he would just want like a couple bars of soap I already have made, but he wanted a custom order even after I told him, like, well, it'll take about a month because it has to cure and I have to make it and order all the stuff for it. And that's what he wanted. So, that's what he gets. Okay, so then I'm going to pour the last of this white on one half. I'm gonna try. And then I'm gonna let it sit because I need it to thicken up a little bit. I'll put the embeds in. I kind of am inspired to want to make a garden series of soap just because of, you know, this soap I'm making here. So I love the garden, and I'm a little upset that I can't do it this year because Brad and I are planning on moving in a couple months, or probably by the end of the summer. So there's no point in making a garden if I can't keep it. That's how I feel about it anyway. Same thing with flowers. I love to plant flowers, and unfortunately I'm just not able to put anything in the ground that, you know, isn't going to die. Like, if it's not an annual, there's no point in planting it because I'm not going to be here to see it. I did put a few things in planters. I have like lots of flower pots laying around, and anything that I can grow in a flower pot and I can just pick up and take it with me, I have no problem doing that. I put a pepper. I did plant a pepper in a flower pot, and then I might get some more things. Not everything can grow in a flower pot. I know tomatoes can, but I don't like tomatoes. I hate them, so I don't see the point in growing them. Even if Bradley would eat them, maybe I'll grow one for him. I don't know if he'll even eat tomatoes like that because I don't. Alright, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna give this a whack. And then I'm going to take the pointy end of a chopstick and just make a little design in this, little swirl. Like that. And the embeds are these little mustaches. And you probably noticed the goofy little video I have of me and Kate. And this is the same exact thing. I made the embeds with an ice cube tray, and you can head over to that video if you're interested in seeing more. But I'm just going to stick each one of these little mustaches on the top of each soap. And then I will spray this with the isopropyl alcohol, and I will be back in 24 or 48 hours depending on how the soap behaves, how easy it does come out of the mold or doesn't, and I will cut it. Alright, ready to cut here. I'm just going to trim the ends here so that every bar is beautiful. It's still a little soft. But I'm digging this color and this scent and this design. Smudge! That is Smudge trying to get into the basement because his daddy went down in the basement, so he has to go down in the basement. I think I'm going to get a glove on. And that's Luke banging into the camera. Come on, go lay down. Just love animals. Alright, I'm just going to get a glove on him because it's a little soft. Where were we? I love these swirls. I love how they're like really thin. You can see like the red and the black are really thin, and then they're really like drop looking. I guess that's a good way of saying that, in the middle. I hope Mikey likes them. And I hope that the people who win these like them as well. If you want a chance to win them, be sure to check out his channel and see how he can. Also, if you're interested in any cooking or gardening tips, that's a good channel to check out. I like to think I have a green thumb. I try to have a green thumb. I kill about half my plants. I got really cocky lately with an African violet. I've had this for about a year now, and it started to grow little blooms on it, and I thought they were like the hardest plant besides an orchid. I failed at that, but it's like one of the hardest plants to grow. They're very temperamental, and this is from Bradley's grandmother's funeral. I've had it for a little over a year, and it kind of died, and then it kind of came back, and now it has buds on it. So what did I do? I got cocky, and I went out and bought a new one. Just wanted to try my luck on that. I have lots of plants. Look, I have this begonia over here. Bradley got me this beautiful begonia. Don't let it fool you, it's brand new. I haven't had a chance to kill it. Not very good at growing vegetables though. I have a nice little vegetable garden. It's not the greatest. There's the infamous Luke shake. I don't know, they're alright. They don't produce, anything to live off of by any means. But it's fun. I think my favorite vegetables to grow, I've done sugar snap peas, and those were a lot of fun. I'm gonna turn this around. I wish I could grow one of my favorite vegetables, which is an avocado. I love avocados. I can't eat a salad or a wrap or a sandwich or anything unless it has an avocado on it. Like, I'm obsessed with them. I don't think I could grow them, not in Maryland anyway. If you could grow your favorite vegetable, what would it be? Leave that in the comment section down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. stay tuned for lots of fun soaping videos. Don't forget to check out Mike's video if you want a chance to win one of these bars. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the section down below. And until next time, smell you later.